say what happens like this. Give me a call. I'll be instructing you. But now, here's what I need you to do. If I'm going to help you out and you're going to be part of my team, okay, I am not the boss of you no matter what. And okay, no matter what. And I got a military mentality. That's how I do. However, every Monday, just for our team, and if you want to bring anybody so that we can help you recruit them in, and to get like just a membership, okay? There's a difference between in Legal Shield. There are people that just have a membership. There are people that just have legal. There's some people that just have identity theft. There's some people that, they have our business plan. There are some companies have our employee benefits, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to start you out with what's called Fast Start Qualifying. And what we're going to do, and I've made this own training myself. Now, Legal Shield has their own training, but because we're from Quincy, and because we've been very successful, what I do is first thing we bring you in, and we get you on board as an associate, and I'll help you with that part. You just got to carry the membership, because believe it or not, they watch everything we do so that somebody can't cheat the system, meaning I can't just go and buy a whole bunch of memberships for people because it's illegal, because we get commission off it. The commission is more. We get a year's worth of commission. So if you actually did the math on it, okay, we split it 3 ways. The associates get paid first. The lawyers get paid second, and the company gets paid third. So we're split 3 ways. That's how the money's split. There's no ladder or pyramid or anything like that. I can never make more than you no matter what. But, so you come on, and we do your training label. We get all your training out of the way within the first couple days. But now you're going to have to come up with a game plan. You and I'll sit down and come up with a game plan. Every Monday, the team meets, and we meet over at the Veterans Home. If you're in Quincy, that's fine. However, every second Wednesday of the month, we open it up to where you can bring people and stuff over to Native Wings over there by the river, and we will bring, myself will give a presentation, or Richard will give a presentation, we eat wings, we have a good time. You don't have to worry about money on all this stuff. My key thing is the first thing we do is we get you members that need legal. Now, we handle everything in the legal field, everything, literally. We are the only company that crosses from state to state. We're in all 50 states, we're in all provinces of Canada, and we're in the United Kingdom. We just took on the United Kingdom. Okay, we have law firms that we only use. In other words, they don't use anybody else, and we have 11,650 referral attorneys. All right, that's the next one. This thing's almost up.